In this short video, we'll show service technicians how to set maintenance reminders for Dynaco doors using the Dynalogix 5 controller. Periodic maintenance helps ensure a long operational life for your Dynaco door. To schedule a reminder, enter the dealer password and select the maintenance icon. Then choose to set the reminder by cycles or by calendar date. If maintenance based on cycles is preferred, enter the total number of open and closed cycles before maintenance is due. You can also add in a buffer to warn the end user that maintenance is coming soon. These numbers are defaulted to 50,000 and 5,000, respectively. You may also set a calendar-based maintenance schedule. When the set date is reached, the warning message will be displayed. Next, choose how you want the warning to be displayed. This option shows a banner on the home screen. This option will show the banner and only close the door in dead man mode. This option will show a banner and only open and close the door in dead man mode. After the service technician performs the maintenance, they can reset the reminders and warnings. For more detailed information, see the Dynalogix 5 manual.